Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel Know About Embedded System. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to generate trapezoidal waveform using DAC. So if you're a new viewer to my channel, please subscribe and gain the knowledge on embedded system. Let us start the video, trapezoidal waveform generation using DAC. So before going to trapezoidal waveform, you should understand what is the trapezoidal wave. So trapezoidal wave means, you might be knowing already. So there will be one ramp and there will be constant voltage and there will be negative ramp. So this type of waveforms are called as trapezoidal wave. There will be this is 0, let us assume this is 0 and this is FF or nothing but 255 you can say, and we'll be using positive ramp. There will be positive ramp and there will be constant, we have to maintain the constant voltage level, and then negative ramp and then followed by 0. Again we have to maintain some constant voltage range, that is 0. So to do that, so what we have to do, we can use one for loop for positive ramp you can say. So we have to use one for loop for positive ramp, and then when it reaches with the 255 value, so small delay, around a small delay, maybe approximately based on requirement you can use the delay. So positive ramp, and when it reaches with the 250 you can add some delay here, and then for negative ramp we have to use one more for loop. Use one more for loop for negative ramp, and when it reaches with a 0, you can just add some more delay, something. So maybe 100 millisecond you can add like that. Okay, so I'm just mentioning here approximately 100 millisecond you can add a delay. So this is the logic we have to implement. So there should be positive ramp with one for loop, then when it reaches with a 255 value we have to add a delay with approximately 100 millisecond. Then you can use one negative ramp you can use with a one more for loop, and when it reaches with a 0 you can add one more delay with a 100 millisecond delay. Okay, so this is a logic, and we have to use again a DAC. So every time we have to give digital inputs to DAC, and the DAC will produce the respective output voltages, and that is going to generate trapezoidal wave. So let us go back to code and we will check whether will it work in according to our requirement or not. So here you can see I have already written the code. So I'm using positive ramp. Here you can see this is my ramp, this is my for loop. This is nothing but triangle wave. So triangle wave with a proper delay, then it will become a ramp. So I'm going to use one for loop for positive ramp generation, and here you can see one more for loop I'm going to use for negative ramp generation. So approximately this is going to generate 100 millisecond delay. So the delay one value, if I pass one value, it is going to generate approximately 100 millisecond. Okay, so this code will produce our trapezoidal wave. So let us check whether will it able to generate or not. So again I'm repeating 2 for loops with a 1 delay. Keep it in infinite loop, it will generate continuously. Okay, so let us compile the code. So this is my logic analyzer, just you can allow to run. Now you can see this is your trapezoidal wave. Positive ramp, constant voltage, negative ramp, constant voltage, right? So just I'll hold it for a second. You can try to observe here. This is what I have explained in the explanation. This is my positive ramp, this is my negative ramp, constant voltage, and here also constant voltage. So this type of waveforms are called as trapezoidal waveform, right? I hope this demonstration is clear to all. So if you like this video, click on like button and subscribe my channel.